My name is Anna Maldonado, and I took the Geographic Information Systems Certificate Program at UC San Diego Extended Studies. I was an undergrad student at UC San Diego, and I received an email from UC San Diego Extended Studies which advertised the launch program, and that offered students the opportunity to complete a certificate program free of tuition costs, which really motivated me to look into it. I chose UC San Diego Extended Studies over other institutions because it was part of the university family and it offered a unique support to me at the time as an undergrad. So my undergraduate degree was in Earth Sciences, and as I was nearing graduation and looking at jobs that were of interest to me, I noticed that GIS was a required skill for many of them, and I wanted to make sure that I was a good candidate for those positions, which is what ultimately led me to seek out this GIS certificate program. Participating in the UC San Diego Extended Study Certificate Program really contributed to my professional growth significantly, and I was able to get a job in GIS after graduating, and since then I have had 4 different GIS jobs, each one growing in complexity, and being promoted from a technician to an analyst role, and this has greatly positively impacted my life with increased opportunities. In my program, I really enjoyed the capstone project, which was at the very end of our program, and that gave us the flexibility to pick an area of interest and a topic of interest to us to design a project around. And additionally, there were many students, though we were virtually, there were many students from different backgrounds and industries that I was able to interact with. My capstone project I designed around Santa Cruz, California, after fires that happened in 2020, and looking at burn areas which were projected to have debris flows or landslides after a major rain event. I identified suitable areas for evacuation centers. So this took into account proximity to major roads, the location, facility type, whether it was a school, a hospital, community center, and also the proximity to the people who were being evacuated in those burn zones. I would definitely recommend the Geographic Information Systems Certificate Program to anyone who would be interested. It's a growing and widespread industry, and whether you're in healthcare, government, education, utilities, it really has many applications. I think prospective students should know that the Geographic Information Systems Certificate Program is entirely remote and asynchronous, so it offers quite a bit of flexibility in terms of completing it. But even though it is remote, we have plenty of opportunities to interact with the other students, and the professors are extremely responsive and supportive as well. And I'd also recommend saving any projects or maps that you create and picking areas that are of interest to you so that you are able to include them in a portfolio. My next steps and future goals are to continue growing in my current role as a GIS Analyst at UC San Diego, and also hoping that my projects grow in complexity and offer me the opportunity to be more creative with the GIS solutions that I create. And as I was once a student as well, I'm excited about the opportunity to work with other interns and assistants and offer them the same support that I received. And also with GIS as an industry, it's growing and advancing. There's new technology being developed, and I'm excited to continue my training and growing my skill set.